So I found a way to make the kids disappear. Oh man, they're so cute. Hi, what's up? This is Chris from The Longest Way, and it's again hammock time. And yeah, I'm here in Tonga, in this little village, in my hammock. Oh, they got in trouble with their mom. I don't know what she's saying, but they got in trouble. And yeah, I've been updating the videos, updating the blog, and I'm eating something that I don't know what it is. Looks like a pea, tastes like a tiny sour apple. Has a big kernel. I don't know. Someone gave it to me. I hope it's for eating. But it's nice. And yeah, there's not much going on here. I updated the blog until yesterday. It took me ages, and I compiled all the videos and I uploaded all the videos, and that took for ages too. It was like 7 or 8 gigabyte. I'm running through my second package of 100 gigabytes. Got like 20 left or something. And I'm in the process of renaming the videos on YouTube, because I used to have this naming system where I'd go TLW 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and I got to like 480 or something. But they were, I don't know, I think a lot of people, they just looked at my channel and they didn't know what was going on. You know, like, what's the guy doing? Is he still on the road or not? What's with the numbers? They're back. Of course they're back. Yeah, so I don't know. I'm gonna talk to you guys later. Hello. Who works every time. Oh, there's a brave little girl. She's not gonna run. Oh, that was disappointing. Well, she was the one who gave me the little thingies. I don't know what they are. Thought she was brave. So now I discontinued the Let's Walk thing because it was just boring. 30 minutes of just, I don't know, landscape. And I'm doing the daily videos like this one. Most of them are edited where, I don't know, I'd film like a minute in the morning, a minute here and there, and then add them together to the like 10-minute clips. And that's gonna be the main thing, the daily videos of The Longest Way. Try to make one every day. And then I'm gonna continue the 360-degree videos because they're fun. If people figure them out. A lot of people, I think they click on it and then they think, what the hell is going on? Because they don't understand the fact that you can move around. So it looks really shitty if you don't move around and look at different angles. But what can I do? I try to tell them in the video. And yeah, I try to say the date in every video. I try to tell people to go on my blog in every video, because I think once you've found the blog, it's much more interesting because I got maps on there and everything is in order. Yeah, and it took a lot of effort to make the blog, so yeah, might as well have people look at it. That's what I'm doing. And I'm gonna make a logo, like a splash screen for the videos. Maybe 2-3 seconds, 5 seconds, I don't know. Something that pops up once you click on a video. And then I need an ending screen. Something nice. So yeah, something like 3D animated or something, I don't know. gonna try to get that done in the next month or so. I can't do that. I have a friend who's gonna do that if he wants. And yeah, I was gonna film today while I was working, but I was working in a restaurant at the hotel, which really didn't feel like a place to film around. Like, people are eating, the staff is kind of hanging out, and I don't know, have me talking there would seem kind of annoying. So I just worked. I just kind of wrote my blog and did this and that, uploaded all the videos. But I'm gonna tell you now, and this is gonna be some sort of my equipment, let's tech, what the stuff I use video. I used to be an Adobe person. I used to like Adobe. I used to really like Lightroom. I used to like Photoshop. I used to like Premiere, After Effects. The others, I don't understand them. Like Illustrator, I'm not a graphic designer. Encore, whatever. A lot of these things, I got the suit, the Premiere suit, but I don't know what it's like, what many of them do. And I still think they're good software. The functionality, like you can do tons of stuff with After Effects and with Premiere and everything, but I don't have the time to deal with that anymore. I think Adobe is too complicated if you don't use it professionally. It's too slow. The rendering is just slow. Like, you know, I never edit videos like for the last year that I was on the road. That isn't because I don't like editing. Like, simple editing that is kind of on the fly and it's fast and the encoding time is short. That's fun. It's all right. But if you like, if I use Premiere and After Effects on my computer, the little Apple notebook that I got there, takes like, I don't know, like 10 minutes of video takes like hours, just hours going by. And yeah, so I never edit. I just kind of film and then upload the raw file, or just you know, compile it into a different sort of compressed file format. But yeah, now I switched. I left Adobe. I still have it on the computer because I like using After Effects for time lapses, but I'm not using the suit anymore. Photoshop, yeah, sometimes, but I mean, which of my photos are going to be Photoshop? You know, I just do basic color correction. Sorry if I'm disgusting. I do basic color correction, you know, contrast here and there. I don't need Photoshop on a daily basis. Premiere, After Effects, I drop them for Final Cut. Seriously, Final Cut, if you have a Mac, try it. It is so fast. They give you a 30-day trial. Final Cut is so fast. It's a little bit dumb compared to Premiere, and dumb as hell compared to After Effects, at least from what I can tell. I'm no pro, but it's awesome. It's so fast, like you, and it's so like intuitive, like the whole thing where it saves files, where it puts the rendered previews and everything. Like, there's one file, the library. If it fills up your computer, you just delete it, and you open up a new library. Like, the thing is not going to clog up your computer. Like After Effects, Premiere makes your computer slow. Final Cut is super fast. The rendering is fast. The whole thing, like, I add titles and everything is really fast and simple. I like it. Deals with 4K smoothly. Like, and I don't have to press that many. Like, I don't have to choose between that many different sorts of video output modes. It does 360 degree video. That's why I started using it in the first place, because I couldn't find a way to deal with a 360 degree videos with my Premiere. So I tried Final Cut and I was amazed. Like, the speed, the functionality, where it's more simple and it's probably less functional than Premiere and After Effects, but it's just the stuff I need. You know, I need speed. I'm working here on a daily basis, and I'm trying to walk in between. So yeah, it's awesome. I'm really happy about it. If you're still using, I don't know, if you're a pro, don't listen to me. I don't know what I'm saying. But if you're like a hobby user, sort of like me, like you're blogging or whatever, try Final Cut. It's like an awakening for me. I love it. That's the whole reason why now I got edited videos on a daily basis. It doesn't take that much time anymore. And yeah, the Lightroom, I mean, I still like it. I still use it actually for like the blogging purposes, because it's fast, because I like how the library, how you can like organize stuff. But the functionality, if you want to really edit pictures, I find, what's it called? Capture One. Capture One. Give that one a try. Don't convert files to DNG. Never do that. Keep the original RAW files. First of all, if you take a photo, shoot in RAW. Never shoot in JPG. Never. And keep the RAW in the specific format of the camera. Like if you have a Sony camera, the RAW is going to look different than a Canon RAW. Keep the specific RAW of the camera. Don't convert it into anything and then load it into Capture One. Capture One is so awesome. The files, I don't know, if you export them, they're crisp. They're much crisper than Lightroom. I find the library very confusing, and some of the stuff it can do, I still don't get it, but it's just a superior, way superior raw editing workflow. It's awesome. So yeah, I got away from from Adobe. Like I can't think of a better photo editor than Photoshop, even for my purposes, but then I don't use it that much anyway. But yeah, Lightroom, use it just because it's simple, and I like the library functions, like to organize pictures. But yeah, if I'm serious about a picture, I'm gonna run into Capture One. Premiere, After Effects, still use them for like time lapses or whatever. But really, I like Final Cut much better. And really what I hate about Adobe is two things. First thing, keeps crashing on me. Like, sorry. Crashes all the time. And I don't know. There we go. Sorry. I don't know if it's my machine, if it's my computer, but it just crashes all the time, so I always gotta save. Final Cut never crashed a single time. Plus, I don't have to save. Hey, hello. I never save. The thing is just, it doesn't work like Final Cut with like individual projects that you save somewhere and you do like backups and call them B or C or D. No, it's always up to date. It's always like you open it, loads really fast, close really fast, doesn't you know, die on you. Second thing I hate. Goodbye. Wait a second. Here they are, little kids. I like them so much. Two more days until that donkey Trump was gonna announce his decision on the Iran deal. Money is becoming worthless here at a rapid pace. People are worried. I don't feel that they're that worried about war. Maybe because it's not really in the media that much. Like the possibility of war with Israel or the US or whatever. But just a shitty economy sucks. It sucks for everybody. It sucks for these kids too. Yeah, second thing, I was going to talk about Adobe. Yeah. Yeah. I hate their new model where you are supposed to like have a monthly subscription. But I don't want no damn subscription. I want to buy a piece of software and then use it. And like, I don't want to pay like $60 every month for your whatever Premiere suite. I don't know, call me old-fashioned. I don't like it. I hate them for it. Like even Lightroom. How many updates can you make? And they're like, hey, why don't you... Like I'm using Lightroom 6 and it's good. But like they make you feel like you're doing something wrong. They make you feel like you're basically sort of breaking some sort of law because you're not in on the monthly subscription, the CC thing. I hate that feeling. It's like riding on a subway without a ticket. That's what they make me feel like. I hate them. So nah, it's goodbye Adobe. Except for some stuff. But yeah, that was my 2 cents on the topic. I'm organizing my workflow here, video wise, picture wise. Again, I don't know if I'm gonna leave tomorrow. It's really nice here. I haven't really relaxed. They're coming. I've just been working. So yeah, maybe I'll take tomorrow off. I don't know yet. Again, if you like the videos, drop by on the blog. It's thelongestway.com. Or share the videos. Share it. Share the channel. Tell somebody about it. Tell your boyfriend. Tell your girlfriend. If you don't have any, don't go and shoot people up. You know, just be nice to the people you like. And if nobody likes you back, it's not your fault. Some people are assholes. Peace.